Hi guys, this is Omar. In this video, I'll be reviewing this mini keyboard with a touchpad. Yes, you've heard it right, mini keyboard with a touchpad. I got it from eBay, but they sell it also on Amazon. And the first place I saw it on was like Wish, and it was like for $12 plus shipping was like $20. I got it from eBay for like $5 with free shipping, and I got it like next week after. So let's check it out and see what we can do with it. Okay, so let's start by opening the box. Okay. Here it is. Let's see what also comes in the box. Okay, the charging cable and the paperwork. Okay. So this is the version that you can recharge it. I think there was another one that you have to put batteries every while. Yeah, see, this is a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. And I guess this is the USB cable that you can plug it into whatever device you want to use it to control. So let's go ahead and do some testing. Okay, so let's do the first testing. This might sound stupid, but I want to try it on the smartphone. It says on the box that you can control your smartphone with it. So I don't know. I want to check that out. See if we can have some fun with it. So I'm gonna plug this USB inside of this phone dangle and put it in the phone. Okay, I guess now we have to turn it on. This is the switch over here. Let's see what we can do. Ooh, you see there's a mouse inside of the phone. Okay, so what if we... so you can basically just, instead of using your finger, you use the touchpad. Which is kind of stupid. Anyway. So... what are we doing with this? Oh, okay, you see there is something, I don't know if we can get it closer. I'm choosing what app I can select. I guess if your display doesn't work, you can use this feature. You can like use this one. And there are like multiple buttons that you can, I guess if you press this is like a home button. And if you press this, it will take you to the internet. It's like an internet button by itself. Let me see what stuff we can also use. Home, email. Ooh, you press email, takes you to email. Music button. I don't know, just like some cool stuff. And I guess you can just like keep controlling everything using this. Yeah, as I was saying, so if your display doesn't work, I guess you can use this one temporarily, because you know you don't want to carry your phone and carry this around all the time with you. Anyway, let's try it with something else. So I just discovered some more features that you can do in this little keyboard. So you see this FN button. If you press it, you can activate anything that is written in blue here. So for example, when I press FN and press this, I can control how fast is the touchpad. Let me show you a demo. So here is the mouse. See now how fast it is. If I press FN and space, let me see. Okay, so it goes faster. Press it one more time. Really fast. Press it one more time. It goes back to being slow. Okay, so another thing that you can do is you press FN and you press this, it turns on and the color is red. You do it one more time and it turns into blue, and then one more time, I think it goes green. Red, yeah, red, green, blue. I'm just pressing it so quick. But red, green, blue, and that is so cool. I love that. And you know, you can check out the rest of the stuff. So on the enter button you can do, you know, Control Alt Delete. These two buttons has like two functions on them, and when you press function and F8 it disables the touchpad, etc. And now I plugged it into my laptop and it does actually work. You can see the cursor, I'm moving it around using this. I can go and open browsers, you know, I can, I don't know, go to YouTube I guess, and I'm doing all this like right from here. I can use the, oh shit, I pressed some video.
Don't miss a moment. Live TV from 70.
Okay, so I tried couple stuff, and apparently you can also use the double touch. You can like scroll super quickly. You can also use the arrows. It goes a little bit slower, but it does the job. You have also buttons like page up and page down. This is page up. It goes like this, and page down. You know, you have plenty of stuff to play around with. And I forgot also to show you, I was actually projecting this on my TV. So this is why like people actually want this stuff, so that, you know, you can lay your laptop around. You can go ahead and turn the projection off. You can, you know, you keep the projection on, but what you do is you just keep the television. You just need to have that, and now you can just, you know, play around using this mouse. I didn't have to have your laptop around or anything. You're probably all wondering, how did I get my TV like this, or is it even safe? My answer for the first question is I don't know. My second one is it's safe, maybe. So here you go guys, does everything you expect it to do. In my opinion, this is a 10 out of 10 product for its price. Like for $5 there is no way you can get anything better than this. If you want to get like a wireless keyboard, you have to pay like $15-20, and the wireless mouse is like $8. You can get this thing with like both stuff, and you know, you can charge it for $5. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you want to see more of a product reviews, and see you in the next video.